Come on. So, Mariah. Mariah.
What's up? It's your girl Ryan back in the cut or whatever. So today, as you can see by the title, I am back with a pranky prank up my sleeve. So today, what I'm gonna be doing is the coughing prank. You would call it the corona prank. Basically, what I'm gonna be doing is just be coughing, just coughing to see how they react and stuff. So let's get straight into this video. Before we get to this video, please make sure you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, I'll say thank you to get notified of all of my videos. And yes, I see my new subscribers coming in. Hello, how you doing? My name is Mariah. Don't forget to hit that like button. Without further ado, let's get straight into this prank.
That's the only downfall I end up with. Shit, we can smoke weed.
We can smoke weed now.
Such a vibe. Best customer service. Best super. Go to Platinum. $20 entry fee, $10
Damn,
that's $30.
Wait, what?
It's a $10 entry fee and $10 parking fee. Dang.
Stop.
Excuse me, can I get my leg back? No, somebody said they have horrible service. We spent $500 for a section. For a section that they already booked.
Yeah, that's supposed for the rich people be at.
Do not waste your money or time.
Hell no, I ain't wasting no damn $500 on no damn,
Ooh, somebody gonna say, to be honest, they should rename this place. We not from 63rd, LLKB. Is it bad that I don't know whether to rate good or bad because of what happened to Vonna? So what, he got killed here? I ain't Hell no. King Vine died here, not okay. Just found out King Vine down here arrested. Everybody said nope, I ain't going down. I'm glad we went down. Everybody said the rest of the
Hell no.
So that's where he died at.
Ain't going up. Next.
Ain't nothing else to talk about. Next. Ain't no discussion. Come on. Hell no. Get your ass on.
The fuck? So what we gonna do, y'all?
Why they posting a picture of Vaughn talking about right? He was there and shit like that.
Mariah, that's fucking nasty. Don't do that shit. That ain't funny.
Adoria.
Hey, so he died there?
Yeah, that's what everybody in the comments saying.
Wow. So now what we gonna do?
Damn. Glad we read that.
The Ferris wheel closed, right?
Yeah.
I'm asking you. The Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel. I did the aquarium.
Yeah. That's who playing that? Jalen?
No. Come on.
Vanessa? Mariah! That was
Ferris wheel
that
closed
shit.
at 10.
I'm sorry.
That ain't funny.
Get back.
So,
Mariah! That shit fucking nasty. That I'm not fucking laughing. Ain't shit funny. The fuck?
I'm
looking at this because of Darian. What the fuck?
What happened?
Darian! That's who you fought?
She got big earth.
Look at her.
She look like she's staying.
Do y'all see the was saying, go say let's go for seafood, but he don't eat seafood. Wow.
My man still stuck on Chick-fil-A from fucking earlier.
Oh yeah.
Bitch, I'm gonna kick your ass to your damn mouth. Stop fucking doing that fucking shit. You know fucking Corona out and shit. This shit up out here. Fucking not problem. Bro, turn all the Oh my god. Whew. Do y'all want to go to the main event? It closes at 12.
Oh yeah, let's go there. The main event fun.
The main event? I ain't never been there. Yeah, I want to go.
Yeah, let's go there right now. Where is that?
Yeah, how far is it from
It's
right
in
now?
Atlanta.
Damn, how far
Put
is
the
it?
address in.
Mariah, the fuck? Your ass recording, I see the camera. It was a prank. You hear me? Talk about some. It was a prank.
That was just funny. Dang! Dang! You had to say something, dang! Big mouth?
Sure.
You could have known though, cause she kept coughing. Yeah, I already knew. That's why she was like, she kept coughing.
Dang! She didn't talk. That was funny. I ain't gonna lie. Right now, y'all, we trying to find something to do up in Atlanta. So if y'all from ATL, comment down below on this video and let us know some like activities we can do, because we just sitting around. And we ready to do something, but I think we finna go to the main event, y'all.
We 21 hours from California.
So,
we a day from California. How long you think they are?
California. So y'all, hold on. We trying to go to the main event. So basically, what I'm finna do is I'm finna put this in a map so I can see how far it is from here. And if it's not that far, we're going to the main event, I guess. Dang! You be careful.
See?
Hold on, y'all. Try to see.
I'm trying to come down.
Excuse you? Hey!
Go ahead, Dre. It's an hour and 7 days. I mean, it's 1 day and 7 hours.
Hours. We're going to say hour and 7 days.
Yeah. Go ahead. It's 1 day and 7 hours.
Hold on.
Hell no. You
Yeah, y'all, so comment down below if y'all know some, activities we can do. If y'all from Atlanta or been to Atlanta, and because we trying to figure out something to do.
It's 7:15. It's dinner time.
What'd you say? Hexy
It's 7:15. Shit, it's dinner time.
Hexy doll. We could go to the main event. They got a bar right there too. I want some drinks. I'm trying to get drunk today. I don't know what y'all. I'm trying to get drunk. We should go to the liquor store.
Ooh, yeah. I like the sound of that.
I think I know where the main event is at because I had seen when we was driving.
It's not that far from there, but I think I'm
Put in. Hold on, y'all. Try to put it in. Yeah, it's only 30 minutes away.
It's one that's closer.
It is? Okay, well, it's one that's closer than it's 30 minutes away, so I think we should go to the main event. What you think?
Yes.
Yeah, so we finna go ahead and head to the main event. That's gonna be the end of this prank. Adoria blew it for everybody. It would have kept going if she didn't say nothing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this prank. Talk about prank.
It's closer.
right
It is.
where we at.
If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you did, you give it a thumbs up. We can always be honest here. But give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and also hit that bell button to get notified of all of my videos. Stay tuned. Deuces.